When it rains in Ireland, what do? You check out other people's studios. Welcome to Paul Maloney's Pottery Studio. Hello, hello. Do you want to be on YouTube?
I always want to be on YouTube.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that's Penny, our doggy.
Oh, hello.
Do you want to have a look in our studio?
Yes.
Yeah,
How long have you had this place?
I've been out here 21 years now.
Hi Laura, Elvin, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Alvin is an artist, but does a lot of blogging, sketching, urban sketcher. And so it starts down here. So that's a potter's wheel. This is a wheel. Everything is made on. Now this thing here has a specific purpose. I won't go into it now. But we make all the pots on the pottery wheel. Like it. Just it's ready. Get this prepped. So it's nice to come in here on a nice frosty winter's morning. It's nice and toasty.
Is this just regular clay or?
This is, yeah, clay is a very common material found pretty much everywhere, and there's different types of clay, right? And so there would be porcelain and kind of terracotta, and there's a range of clays in between. Okay, this would be kind of like a terracotta clay. It's brown because there's a lot of iron in it. Now we just give it a mix up there to get it into an even consistency. You don't want kind of soft on the inside or hard, you want to get a nice even consistency. So you would do up the weights of clay. So if there were, say, bowls like this, you'd make up, they're all 2 kilos each. Make up a batch of balls of clay. You're good to go. Do you want the fast version or the slow version? So you're making big pots, big lump of clay. So if you're making little bowls, you could do that.
So Paul Maloney has worked as an artisan craft potter for over 30 years and only uses traditional methods, clay from the earth, thrown by hand and hardened with fire. If you're around the area, remember to visit him at the pottery. We'll leave all the details down below where the description box is.
Let that dry out then, and then usually the next day I just pop it upside down and trim off the base. People often ask me how long does it take to make a pot. There's 2 answers. One is how long does it take to make on the wheel, and that's like a couple of minutes max. Everything slows down then, so this will probably be ready in a couple of weeks. If it has handles on, put handles on it. If there's any other treatments on 2 firing soaking, it takes a while. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes out of the kiln intact, because we sell a lot of our pottery in the shops. It's consistency more than perfection that they require, because people's idea, I always say, perfection belongs only to Allah. These have been dipped in a dark grey, almost black liquid clay. It's very grey at the moment, but when it comes out of the kiln, it'll be a lot darker. Then we put our surface treatment, which is that nice continuous kind of dripping of the glaze back and forth, which is I like a lot.
Surface treatment. Maybe you want. Oh, I wasn't sweating before you came in.
That goes back into the kiln
Right.
For the second firing.
for a second firing and comes out.
Wow.
Oh, so the
Oh, that's
That's
glorious.
that.
That is
wow.
that milk will come out,
Yeah.
that shiny thing. Oh, that's
So-
fantastic. Yes.
Glaze is a coating of glass over the surface of
Yeah.
a pot.
right.
Yeah.
So glaze is a glass, and it's the heat in the kiln that
That's
melts
brilliant,
that, right? And it's white because we put tin oxide into it. It opacifies it, and it makes it white.
All right.
So if you were to do a blue glaze, you would put cobalt. It would make it blue. If you were to make a brown glaze, you'd put iron oxide, which is red. And that's a cheap material. That's why you have brown beer bottles.
Yeah.
So it's clear glass, bit of red iron oxide turns the glass brown. If it's a green glass, a bit of copper oxide because copper turns green. So they're the kind of earth. So you're dealing with very basic
Yeah.
materials.
Fantastic.
So
Thank you
Okay,
so
see you guys.
much.
Call again.
Yes.
Hopefully we see you next year.
Yeah. Bye bye. How about that, guys? Only here on this channel. So remember not to tune out. It's Alvin Mark from Ireland, specifically here in Wexford. Until the next one, ciao ciao. Cheers to rainy days.